with x minus 1 equals plus or minus 2, we split this into two equations. We get x equals, or x minus 1 equals positive 2, and x minus 1 equals negative 2. So either x equals 3 or x equals negative 1. Okay, these are the 2 points at f of x that have the slope negative 1/2, which means we're going to have 2 tangent lines for our answer. We know both tangent lines will have a slope of negative 1/2. One is located at x equals 3 and the other at x equals negative 1. To find the exact ordered pairs, we want to plug these values back into the original function f. So f of 3 is 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1, 4 over 2, which is 2. That's the ordered pair 3, 2. For x equals negative 1, we find f of negative 1, which is negative 1 plus 1 over negative 1 minus 1, 0 over 2, which is 0. That's the ordered pair negative 1, 0. Which means for our first tangent line, we want to solve for b. We find that b equals 3.5. So this tangent line has the form y equals negative 0.5 or negative 1/2 x plus 3.5. For the second tangent line, we get 0 equals negative 1/2 times 1 plus b. So b equals that's times a negative 1. So b will then equal negative 1/2. This tangent line is y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1/2. And that is problem 7. Which brings us to problem 8. In problem 8, we're given f of x equals 3x over x plus 2, and g of x equals 5x plus 4 over x plus 2. We want to verify that f prime equals g prime, and explain the relationship between f and g. Let's go back down here. So in problem 8, we're given f of x equals 3x over x plus 2, and g of x equals 5x plus 4 over x plus 2. To find the derivatives of both these functions, we want to use the quotient rule. So we find that f prime of x equals 3x plus 6 minus 3x all over x plus 2 squared. Now for g of x, we find that g prime of x equals 5x plus 10 minus 5x minus 4 all over x plus 2 squared. Now let's reduce both of these. So f prime of x, our 3x's cancel, leaving us with 6 over x plus 2 squared. And for g prime of x, 5x's cancel, leaving us with 10 minus 4, which is 6, over x plus 2 squared. We do indeed see that f prime of x equals g prime of x. So that's the first part. But then we want to figure out what exactly this means about the relationship between f and g.